Today we present the recipe for mussels erupted. The ingredients are 1 pound of fresh mussels, garlic, parsley, oil, pepper and 1 lemon. It's a recipe simple and fast. Let's move on to the cookers. We cover the bottom of the pan with olive oil. We add a beautiful garlic clove. We cut it into pieces and let fry. Now we add our fantastic mussels. Let's skip and we cover for 5 minutes. In this way the heat is all open. Check. The mussels have already lost the first water and we're going to throw a little. We continue to cook the mussels for a few minutes on high heat. Now, when the mussels are almost completely open, we add only a little of pepper and chopped parsley. We make them jump a little. Let flavor. The mussels are open. Now we go to the dish. We put now our mussels in serving dish. This is a quick recipe and you will make a beautiful picture with your guests. We put a little of parsley, a little pepper and our beautiful lemon. Our recipe is over. To all, good appetite!